Welcome to the CompTIA Project Plus Prepcast by baremetalcyber.com. Scheduling tools are at the core of project time management. They allow project managers to plan timelines, assign resources, monitor progress, and adjust plans as conditions change. A good scheduling tool tracks task durations, maps dependencies, flags milestones, and highlights the critical path so delays can be addressed before they affect delivery. In today's market, options fall into three main categories: cloud-based platforms, on-premise installations, and local desktop tools, each with its own strengths and limitations. At their core, most scheduling software platforms offer a similar set of functions. They generate Gantt charts, calendars, and task lists, enable resource assignment, and track completion progress. Many allow baseline comparisons to show how the current schedule differs from the original plan, and some can auto-adjust dependent tasks when one changes. These capabilities give project managers the data needed to forecast impacts, resolve resource conflicts, and keep the team aligned. Cloud-based scheduling tools run in a web browser and store project data on external servers managed by the provider. Examples include Smartsheet, Monday.com, and Microsoft Project Online. Typically sold through subscription models, these platforms are designed for collaboration, allowing stakeholders to log in from anywhere with an internet connection. Many also provide mobile apps, so schedules can be reviewed or updated in the field. The benefits of cloud-based scheduling tools are hard to ignore. Real-time updates mean that when one team member marks a task complete, everyone else sees it instantly. Access from any location or device makes them ideal for distributed teams. Integration with other cloud platforms, such as CRM systems, time tracking apps, and file repositories, can often be set up with minimal configuration, creating a connected project ecosystem. Security is an important factor when using cloud tools. Because data is stored off-site, encryption in transit and at rest is essential. Multi-factor authentication and user-level permissions help prevent unauthorized access, while provider-managed backups and failover systems protect against data loss. In regulated environments, it's also important to confirm the provider meets compliance standards for data residency and handling. On-premise scheduling software is installed on internal company servers and managed by in-house IT teams. This model was more common before cloud adoption became mainstream and still appears in high-security environments. Examples include older deployments of Microsoft Project Server or enterprise-scale Primavera installations. On-premise solutions give organizations greater control over data storage, access policies, and system customization. The advantages of on-premise systems are significant for certain organizations. Data stays within the corporate firewall, ensuring compliance with strict internal policies. Customization can be more extensive, allowing workflows, fields, and reporting to be tailored to specific needs. They are often chosen by companies operating in industries where internet access may be restricted or unreliable. However, these advantages come with trade-offs. On-premise deployments require higher upfront costs for hardware, licensing, and installation. Updates and patches must be applied manually by IT staff, and enabling collaboration for remote users may require VPN access or additional infrastructure. Without these, visibility for distributed teams can be limited. Local desktop scheduling tools are installed on individual computers without needing centralized server infrastructure. Standalone versions of Microsoft Project or OmniPlan are examples. They work well for individual project managers or small teams that don't need live collaboration but still want a robust scheduling feature set. Local installations have their own pros and cons. They offer speed and full control for the user, with no dependency on network availability for day-to-day work. But without cloud connectivity, sharing updated schedules often means emailing files back and forth, which can lead to version conflicts. They also lack scalability for larger projects or multi-team coordination unless paired with a shared server or hybrid setup. Hybrid configurations bridge these gaps. Some tools offer both desktop and cloud versions that sync automatically. This allows users to work offline when needed. then push updates to the shared schedule when they reconnect. For teams with mixed connectivity or heightened security needs, hybrids can deliver both flexibility and control. Licensing and cost structures vary widely across these deployment models. Cloud platforms typically charge a monthly or annual subscription per user. On-premise tools are often licensed through a one-time purchase plus annual maintenance fees. Local desktop tools may be sold as single licenses or bundled with other software suites, sometimes offering multi-year usage rights. For more cyber-related content and books, please check out cyberauthor.me. Also, there are other prepcasts on cybersecurity and more at baremetalcyber.com. Integration capabilities can be a deciding factor when selecting a scheduling tool. Most modern platforms, especially cloud-based options, connect easily with calendars, dashboards, and full project management suites. Plug-and-play integrations let schedules update automatically when tasks change in other systems. On-premise solutions can integrate too, but they may require custom connectors, middleware, or more extensive configuration to achieve the same seamless workflow. Collaboration features vary significantly between cloud and on-premise tools. Cloud platforms excel at real-time updates, enabling team members to see changes instantly and receive notifications about task assignments or deadline shifts. On-premise systems can support collaboration but often need VPN access or dedicated remote connectivity infrastructure, which can slow adoption for distributed teams. The collaboration style you choose should align with how your team communicates and how frequently schedule updates are required. Scalability is another important consideration. Cloud tools scale quickly. Adding users or expanding resources is as simple as adjusting your subscription. On-premise systems can grow too, but they may require new hardware, database expansion, or additional licensing. Local desktop tools are the least scalable. Without server or cloud integration, they are better suited to small projects or individual use, where team-wide access is not critical. Choosing the right scheduling tool requires looking beyond basic features to match the tool to your environment. Team size, security requirements, budget, and integration needs all play a role. Agile teams often benefit from cloud-based tools that offer flexibility and visibility across fast-moving tasks. Highly regulated industries or those with strict audit requirements may prefer on-premise solutions for the added control and data governance they provide. Many scheduling platforms also include resource management capabilities. These features allow you to allocate people, track workloads, and detect conflicts when multiple tasks compete for the same resource. Integrated time tracking and availability calendars help align deadlines with staff capacity, reducing overcommitment and improving delivery accuracy. Mobile access is a major strength of cloud-based scheduling tools. Dedicated mobile apps or browser compatibility mean that team members can check deadlines, update progress, or respond to changes from anywhere. On-premise tools often have limited mobile support unless custom portals are developed. For remote or field-based teams, mobile access can be a critical productivity booster. Data backup and recovery are handled very differently across deployment models. Cloud providers manage backups, redundancy, and disaster recovery as part of the service, offering high availability and quick restoration after an outage. On-premise solutions require in-house IT processes to ensure regular backups and tested recovery plans. Local desktop tools are the most vulnerable to data loss unless the user implements their own backup routines. Customization and user interface design also vary. On-premise systems often offer deeper customization to match unique workflows, but this can also increase setup complexity. Cloud platforms tend to be more restrictive in customization, focusing on ease of adoption and quick onboarding. Usability matters. Select a tool that matches your team's comfort level and doesn't introduce unnecessary complexity. Maintenance and support differ sharply between models. Cloud platforms are updated automatically by the vendor, ensuring the latest features and security patches are always in place. On-premise tools depend on internal IT teams for updates, which can delay the rollout of improvements or fixes. Local desktop tools require the user to manually install updates, which can sometimes be overlooked. Security policy alignment is essential for whichever tool you choose. Cloud systems should meet your organization's data residency, encryption, and compliance needs. On-premise deployments require robust internal controls, access logging, and regular audits to ensure compliance. Choosing a tool that fits your security framework avoids costly rework later. Training and onboarding can make or break adoption. Cloud platforms often provide built-in tutorials, webinars, and active user communities for self-paced learning. On-premise systems may require vendor-led training or formal workshops. Tailoring onboarding sessions to your team's workflows ensures faster adoption and fewer errors in scheduling practices. Evaluating a scheduling tool's effectiveness should be an ongoing process. Review usage metrics, on-time delivery rates, and user satisfaction to see if the platform is delivering the expected value. If your organization's needs change, whether due to scaling, methodology shifts, or new compliance requirements, reassess whether your chosen tool still fits. In the end, cloud tools deliver accessibility, collaboration, and rapid scaling for most project environments. On-premise and local solutions can offer more control, deeper customization, and enhanced security for the right use cases. By weighing accessibility, governance, integration, and cost, you can select a scheduling system that not only manages your timelines, but also fits seamlessly into the way your team works. Thank you for listening. Please follow baremetalcyber.com on social media and check out our books at cyberauthor.me.